science. 6 diseases from a different organ system. Number 1, meningitis. Number 2, Alzheimer's disease. Number 3, stroke. Number 4, osteoporosis. Number 5, tuberculosis. Ilong. Number 6, UTI, urinary tract infection.
Meningitis is inflammation of the tissue surrounding the brain and spinal cord. It is usually caused by infection. It can be fatal and require immediately medical care. How meningitis start? Bacteria that enter the bloodstream and travel into the brain. In spinal cord cause bacterial meningitis. When bacteria directly invade the meningitis,
Pagdali na yung mga tao.
they may be caused by an air and sinus infection, a skull fracture. Meningitis symptoms. Bacterial meningitis pathogen can cause other symptoms as a result of bloodstream
Nainay.
infection, symptoms which can quickly lead
Inay naglakaw mo.
include cold hand, feet, joint and muscle pain, breathing faster than usual, dark purple or red rash,
Nainay naglakaw.
Parkinson type, or anything. Meningitis cure.
Cure.
Bacterial meningitis serious. Same people with an infection die and death.
Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the common type of dementia. It is a progressive disease beginning with mild memory loss, possibly leading loss of the ability. Alzheimer's symptoms, signs of mild Alzheimer's disease, memory loss that disrupts daily life, poor judgment leading to bad decisions. Alzheimer's cure. There's no cure for Alzheimer's, but certain medication and therapies can help.
Go.
Stroke. A stroke, sometimes called a brain attack, occurs when something block blood supply to part of the brain or when a blood vessel in the brain bursts. In either case, part of the brain become damaged or die. A stroke can cause lasting brain damage. Long-term symptoms of stroke: sudden numbness, weakness in the face, arm, and legs, especially one of the sides of the body, sudden confusion, trouble speaking or difficult understanding speech, sudden trouble seeing one of the body eyes, sudden trouble walking, dizzying, loss of balance, or lack of coordination.
Hi guys.
3, 2, 1, go. Stroke cure. The main treatment of the ischemic stroke is a medical called tissue plasminogen activator, or PTA. It breaks up the blood clot, the blood flow to your brain. A healthcare provider will inject PTA into a vein in your arms. This type of medication must be given within 3 hours after stroke symptoms start.
Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a bone disease that develops when bone mineral density and bone mass decreases, or when the structure and strength of bone changes. This can lead to an osteoporosis causes. Osteoporosis occurs when too much bone mass is lost and changes occur in the structure of bone tissue. Certain risk factors may lead to the development of osteoporosis or can increase the likelihood that you will develop the disease. Osteoporosis symptoms. Osteoporosis is called a silent disease because there are typically no symptoms until a bone is until a bone is broken. Osteoporosis cure. There is no cure for osteoporosis, but the symptoms of your disease can be managed with medicines and lifestyle changes.
Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, TB, is an infectious disease that most often affects the lungs. TB is caused by a type of bacteria. It spread through the air when infected people cough, sneeze, or spit. Tuberculosis is caused by bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. People with active TB disease in the lungs or voice box can spread the disease. They release tiny droplets that carry the bacteria through the air. This can happen they speaking, singing, laughing, coaching, and sneezing like this. Tuberculosis symptoms. Common symptoms of TB. Prolonged cough, something with blood. Chest pain, weakness, photon, micro-fever, Johnson. The symptoms people get depends on where in the body. TB become active, while TB usually affect the lungs. It also affect the kidney, brain, spine, and kid. Don't do that anymore. Tuberculosis cure. The most common antibiotic used are arsinoid, rifampin, paracetamide, etambutol, streptomycin. To be effective, this medication need to be
UTI, urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infection is an infection in any part of the urinary system. The urinary includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. UTI causes. UTIs typically occur when bacteria enter the urinary tract throughout the urethra and begin to spread in the bladder. UTI symptoms. UTIs don't always come in symptoms. When they do, they may include a strong urge to urinate that doesn't go away, a burning feeling when urinating, urinating often and passing small amounts of urine, urine that looks cloudy, urine that appears red, bright pink, or cola-colored, signs of blood in the urine, strong smelling in the urine, pelvic pain in women, especially in the center of the UTI cure. Antibiotics usually are the first treatment for urinary tract infection. Your health and the type of bacteria